Automatic Shisha charcoal packaging machine is very practical for round charcoal briquettes packing. These are the silver Shisha charcoal briquettes for packaging. The hoist conveyor will deliver this hookah charcoal into the automatic feeder. The dividing walls of the feeder machine can evenly divide the charcoal briquettes into different conveying tracks. Then this Shisha charcoal will fall down on the packaging conveyor at an even speed. The charcoal briquettes in the packing conveyor will be transported forward for quick packing. Each packing for Shisha charcoal can be 10 pieces or less. The packing patterns and letters can be customized. After packing, the laborers can pick and settle the final products into boxes. We can see the packaging is well sealed and beautiful. Welcome to contact me for the details.